Want to know how to automate your YouTube channel and boost its performance? You're at the right place. Welcome to the fascinating world of YouTube automation, your ultimate solution for channel efficiency and improved performance. With YouTube automation, you can streamline your tasks, saving you precious time and energy and allowing you to focus on creating quality content. It's like having a digital assistant, managing your uploads, optimizing your videos, and even engaging with your audience, all while you kick back and watch your channel grow. In this video, we'll delve into the essential tools and strategies that can help you automate your YouTube channel. We'll explore how to automate video uploads, optimize videos, and engage with your audience effortlessly. We'll guide you every step of the way, making your YouTube journey more efficient and enjoyable. So if you're ready to save time and increase productivity, stick around. First off, let's dive into the world of automated video uploads. Imagine having a steady stream of videos ready to be uploaded without the hassle of manually doing it every time. Sounds great, right? This is where YouTube's built-in scheduling feature comes into play. This tool is essentially a time saver that allows you to schedule your video uploads in advance. Picture it as a digital assistant that works around the clock, ensuring your content goes live exactly when you want it to. This way, you can maintain a consistent posting schedule, which is crucial for channel growth and audience retention. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of how it works. When you're ready to upload a video, you'll find an option labeled Schedule. Click on it, and you'll be able to select the date and time you want your video to go live. It's as simple as that. But here's the best part. You can schedule as many videos as you want. Planning a vacation, got a busy week at work? No problem. Schedule your videos ahead of time and let YouTube do the rest. Remember, consistency is key in the world of YouTube. By automating your video uploads, you can guarantee your audience will always have something to look forward to. Now, with your videos set to go live at the perfect time, you're one step closer to a fully automated YouTube channel. But what about optimizing your videos? Can that be automated too? Absolutely. When it comes to video optimization, there are some fantastic tools available that can streamline the process. Take TubeBuddy and VidIQ, for example. These platforms are designed to help you automate your video SEO, making it easier than ever to ensure your content is discoverable. Let's talk about keyword research first. Both TubeBuddy and VidIQ offer features that can suggest the best keywords for your video, based on what's currently trending and popular in your niche. This means you're always in the loop with what your audience is searching for and can tailor your content accordingly. But it's not just about keywords. Creating SEO-friendly titles, descriptions, and tags is also crucial for your video's visibility. With these tools, you can generate compelling titles and descriptions that are not only engaging, but also packed with your chosen keywords. They can even suggest relevant tags that will help your video appear in the right search results. And the best part? All of this can be automated. You can set up these tools to automatically apply your chosen settings, saving you time and ensuring consistency across all your videos. So not only do these tools make optimizing your videos a breeze, but they also allow you to focus on creating the best content possible. With your video optimization now set on autopilot, you can ensure your content gets the visibility it deserves. Engaging with your audience is key to building a successful channel. But can you automate this process? Yes, you can. Let's dive into how you can make this happen. Firstly, it's important to understand that automation should never replace genuine interaction. It should only assist in managing your time more effectively, allowing you to connect with your audience on a deeper level. So, where do we start? Well, a great place to begin is with a tool like Hootsuite. This platform allows you to schedule and automate responses to comments on your YouTube videos. It's a fantastic way to ensure that you're not missing any opportunities to engage with your audience, even when you're not online. Scheduling your responses can be quite simple. You can set up a range of replies to common comments or questions, and Hootsuite will automatically post these at set intervals. This way, you can keep the conversation going with your audience, even when you're busy creating your next masterpiece. However, it's crucial to remember that while automation can help manage the flow of interaction, your audience still craves that personal connection. This is where the importance of maintaining authenticity comes into play. Your audience can tell the difference between a canned response and a genuine one. Therefore, it's essential to strike a balance between automated replies and personalized responses. Take the time to respond to unique comments or questions personally. This shows your audience that you value their input and are not just relying on automated responses. Moreover, regularly reviewing and updating your automated responses can keep them fresh and relevant. It's a good practice to periodically check the effectiveness of your automated engagement strategy and make necessary adjustments. Remember, automation is a tool, not a replacement for genuine interaction. It's all about using it wisely to enhance your engagement, not to replace it. Automating engagement doesn't mean losing personal touch. Remember, it's all about balancing efficiency and authenticity. Harness the power of automation to your advantage, but don't forget to keep it real with your audience. After all, they're the reason you're here. Now that we've walked through the steps of automating your YouTube channel, let's quickly summarize what we've covered. We kicked off this journey by introducing the concept of YouTube automation, a powerful strategy to streamline your content creation and audience management. The goal here is to reduce manual tasks, save time, and ultimately boost the performance of your channel. Next, we dove into the specifics of automating video uploads. We brought to light the advantages of scheduling your uploads in advance, a feature that allows you to consistently deliver content to your audience without having to be physically present. Imagine being on a vacation while your YouTube channel keeps buzzing with fresh content. That's the wonder of automation. Then, we shifted gears to focus on automating video optimization. In this section, we unveiled tools that can help you with SEO, thumbnail generation, and keyword tagging. These tools not only take the guesswork out of optimization, but also ensure your content is discoverable and appealing to both your existing audience and potential subscribers. Our journey continued with a deep dive into automating audience engagement. We emphasized the importance of maintaining a steady communication with your audience and how automation can help you manage it more effectively. From automated responses to comments, scheduled posts on community tabs, to managing spam, automation enables you to stay connected with your audience while keeping your sanity intact. Lastly, we discussed the importance of monitoring and adjusting your automation strategies. Because remember, the digital landscape is ever evolving, and what works today might not work tomorrow. So, keep an eye on your analytics, iterate, and improve. With these automation strategies in your toolkit, you're well on your way to running a more efficient and effective YouTube channel. So, go ahead, embrace automation, and watch your channel thrive.